Hi everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and I have another fall project that I want to share with you. Here I have the I Love Fall glass block, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make it at home. The first thing you are going to do is fill the glass block with hay. You don't want it to be completely filled with hay, but you want there to be enough so there's at least one layer covering the bottom of the glass. Grab your fall pick and you are going to cut off one of the leaves and then some of the extra stems that have the pumpkins and the berries on them. Grab some jute and wrap it around the leaf and the different twigs and berries so that they are all combined together. To secure the jute at the bottom, you will use a little bit of glossy accents and then cut off any excess jute. Grab the glass block and lay it down flat. Press down on the hay so that you can make room to put the leaf on top of the hay. And you're going to want your leaf and berry stems to be on the right side inside the glass block. And then you can add in any additional hay that you need to completely fill the glass block. Next, you are going to grab your vinyl and you are going to cut out I Love Fall. You want to cut I Love together and then Fall as a separate piece. Grab your craft scraper and apply pressure to the top of the vinyl. You will then remove the top layer of paper slowly, making sure that the vinyl comes up with it. You are then going to place the vinyl on the glass block and left justified. You are going to stack I Love on top of the word Fall. Make sure that they are both lined up on the left-hand side. Use that craft scraper again to apply pressure and then slowly lift that paper, making sure that the vinyl is attached to the glass block. Next, you will take your black gingham ribbon, place it at the bottom of the glass block and bring the ends up to the top and tie in a bow. Cut off any excess ribbon, and then after that, your glass block is ready to be displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.